Now the first step is to log out and log in with correct account, and make sure date, time zone and region is correct in your computer. So at the top right over here you can see a profile icon. Click on it and then click on sign out, click on sign in and select the right account and then click on continue. It will be asking for your PIN or password, so enter your PIN password over here. Now once logged in, now you can check. Still not working, then go to Windows settings and then go to time and language and then go to date and time and make sure set time automatically. If this is off, you can turn it on. Also set time zone, set time automatically, make sure this is on. Make sure both are on and then click on sync now. Sync now is important. Click on sync now. If you receive any errors in red color, click on sync now and then go to time and language and go to language and region and then make sure your country is selected over here. Select the right country and then check. If that does not work, the next step is to run WSRESET command. So type in WSRESET in Windows search box and then click on WSRESET and this will open Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset Microsoft Store. Now for this you can type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store. Make a right click on Microsoft Store and then go to app settings and then scroll down. Over here you can see the repair option. Click on repair and once the repair is done you can check. If that does not work, then click on reset and once the reset is done, now you can open Microsoft Store and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Go to advanced tab, scroll down. Over here you can see use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all four are checked over here and then hit apply, click on OK and then check. Still not working. Run update troubleshooter. Now for this you can go to Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, click on troubleshoot over here and then click on other troubleshooter and then over here you can see Windows update. Click on run and then follow on-screen instruction from this screen and troubleshoot Windows update. And once this is complete, you can check. So here you can see run the Windows update troubleshooter. Just follow the on-screen instruction and then you can check. If that does not work, you can reset Windows update components. Now for this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Copy it. Now open Notepad on your computer and then paste all the command over here and then name this file as wuauserv.bat. Go to file, click on save as wuauserv.bat and then you can maybe set the location as desktop and over here you can select all files and then click on save. Close this, go to desktop. Over here you can see wuauserv file, make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and let the process complete. First of all, it will stop all the Windows update services and then it will, do you want to continue this operations? Type in Y and then hit the enter key and let the process complete. This process will take some time and during this process it will run some scans. Now the scan will take some time and once everything is complete, this will close automatically or you can close this. So let me inform you, this process will take some time and once this is complete you have to restart your computer and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this, type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. Once this is complete you can check. During this process, you will see some errors in red color. So if you see any errors in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is done, you can check. You will see errors like this in red color, but ignore this, let it complete. Once everything is red, once this is complete, you can check. Next step, still not working, delete Microsoft Store local cache file. Now for this, you can go to this location. So open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, and then open app data folder, open the local folder. Now open the packages folder. Now over here, scroll down and find this Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric characters. So you have to open this folder, and over here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click and delete this folder, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to click on get updates in store. So if you're able to open Microsoft Store, you can open Microsoft Store on your computer. And at the bottom left, you will see the download option. Go to downloads and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then you can check. Not working. If you are unable to open Microsoft Store, then you can skip this step. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. So go to Windows Update and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, then check. Still not working. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here. So paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer, and then you have to restart your computer. And after the system restart, again open PowerShell as an administrator. So type in PowerShell, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, run as administrator, click on yes to allow, paste the second command, and then hit the enter key. And this will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer, and then you can open Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working. The next step is to update Windows to the latest version using Media Creation tool.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find Media Creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 Media Creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Find Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then run the setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. and here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again it will check for update. Now before the installation you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.